Spotify Camp Nou is entering another decisive stage, and today's update reveals the changes that are rapidly transforming Barcelona's future home. Some of the biggest construction milestones are now beginning to take shape, and several key areas of the stadium are evolving faster than ever. From fresh compression ring progress and another radial beam installation to advancing diamond structures, expanding facade work, today's report is packed with the latest developments from every major construction zone. So, let's head onto the site and take a closer look at everything that's changed since the last update. Another important phase is now unfolding across the diamond structure, as visible progress continues to build throughout this section of the stadium. The first construction layer now stretches across almost the entire area, with only a small section at the far end still waiting to be completed. Right ahead, the mobility core is also approaching another milestone, with the sandwich panels now covering almost the entire structure. Below, crews continue inspecting the support structures, while the milder weather is helping work move forward smoothly. The focus is now shifting to the next stage of structural work. Vertical formwork panels have already been installed across the diamond, setting the stage for reinforcing steel before concrete is poured. Although this is usually one of the busiest areas on site, if everything stays on schedule, reinforcing steel installation should begin accelerating over the coming days. Meanwhile, facade work is steadily moving ahead. Workers on several elevated platforms are removing the protective plastic from the newly installed llamas, gradually revealing more of the stadium's finished exterior, while the LED lighting installed earlier is already clearly visible. Before leaving this area, one final look from the South Stand gives us a clearer view of the upper diamond, where most of the deck panels are already in place. Although this section still trails the other diamond, reinforcing steel could begin appearing here by the end of next week, as work continues to progress steadily. Around the corner section, crews are busy preparing panels that will soon be installed across the diamond structures. Nearby, large quantities of reinforcing steel are already stacked and ready for lifting, highlighting that structural work is set to continue at a strong pace as this diamond moves closer to completion. From this angle, the diamond offers another clear view of its steady transformation. Preparations remain in full swing, with materials being organized for the next phase of construction. Attention also turns to the upper cantilever, where workers continue installing the support tubes for the protective safety nets. Similar work was completed on the first cantilever some time ago, and crews are now extending those safety measures to the second level, creating a safer environment as construction advances across the upper sections of the stadium. Another major lift is now underway as crews begin installing a new radial beam in the South Stand. After yesterday's small box segment in the North Stand, construction has quickly shifted here. Even after witnessing these lifts many times, the scale of these steel components remains remarkable. With 27 radial beams, 27 pillars, and 68 box segments already assembled, the compression ring continues to progress at an impressive pace. And with the connection bolts already arriving, another box segment could soon be ready for lifting. Attention now turns to the middle section of the North Stand, where steady progress continues on the facade support system. A closer look reveals crews working on the llama support brackets, while several anchor points are being fitted with small plastic bands, likely as part of the installation and alignment process before the next stage. Nearby, additional elevated platforms are being positioned as work continues across the area. At the same time, crews are advancing with the protective coating and finishing work on the brackets and bolts along the first cantilever, gradually preparing the structure for the next phase. With activity continuing across multiple sections, let's move further along the North Stand toward the Tribune area to see what new developments await us there. Steady progress continues around this corner of the stadium as crews inspect the facade support system while work carries on from the elevated platforms. Guide rails are now visible in this section, Another sign that facade llama installation could begin here in the near future as work gradually expands across the corner. A little further ahead, welding work is also underway inside the structure, while preparations continue within the mobility cores before sandwich panels are installed. Behind the barriers, work continues to advance on the future retail area along Travessera de les Corts. Activity inside has increased, especially near the diamond, where crews are preparing the interior spaces. With each passing week, this area is beginning to look more and more like the final vision shown in the stadium renderings. At the adjacent diamond, construction is also moving forward. Concrete block walls continue to rise around one of the future stadium entrances, while crews install cable routes and aluminum profiles for the curtain wall system. If work maintains its current pace, this diamond is expected to become one of the key milestones completed during the summer. Fresh progress is unfolding in the Tribune section as crews position another support for the facade llamas. An elevated platform is already in place behind the pillar, and from a better angle, it becomes clear that this new support will be installed along the lower side section, where work is nearing completion. Across the area, more pillars are standing ready for their next lift, many already fitted with the yellow installation components. With the neighboring corner crane close to completing its work, the Tribune Tower crane is expected to take over the next major lifting operations. Activity remains steady throughout the site, with materials being moved, elevated platforms working around the bracket structures, and welding continuing on several steel elements. Step by step, the Tribune section continues to build momentum as work advances across multiple fronts. And finally, let us close today's update at the third cantilever level. The crews at the third cantilever are repositioning the railings in that zone. Railing repositioning at a high construction zone is a safety-critical activity. The railings provide the physical barriers that prevent falls and protect workers as they operate at significant heights above the levels below. And repositioning them signals that the working zones at the third cantilever are changing, that the areas of active construction and active worker presence are shifting or expanding in a way that requires the protective railing infrastructure to be reconfigured to match. Alongside the railing repositioning, new supports are being placed for safety nets that are going to serve as a protective shield for the ongoing works happening at the exterior parts of the upper facade. And the fact that new supports are being installed specifically for those safety nets tells you that the exterior work at the upper facade is intensifying in a way that makes this additional layer of protection both necessary and appropriate. The third cantilever safety works are unglamorous but absolutely essential. They are the kind of activity that allows all of the more visible and more dramatic construction work happening nearby to proceed safely and effectively. And the crews taking the time to reposition the railings and install the safety net supports are doing the work that makes everything else possible. Another productive day at Spotify Camp Nou with steady progress across the compression ring, facade, mobility cores, and the iconic diamond entrances. Every completed section brings Barcelona one step closer to one of the most spectacular football stadiums ever built. If you enjoyed this construction update, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Epic World Projects, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest progress from stadium projects around the world.